5 apps that pay you to play games. Did you know you can actually earn money just by playing games? Here are the 5 legit apps that pay you to play. First up would be Bingo Cash. So compete in bingo matches and win real cash prizes. So this is the official website of Bingo Cash, where you can actually play and you can also find the QR code that you need to scan to be able to install or access the application on your device. Second on the list would be Solitaire Cash. Play quick solitaire tournaments and earn payouts. So solitairecash.com is the official website of Solitaire Cash. So you can go ahead and practice into their website or get it now on your mobile device by scanning this QR code. Third on the list would be Misplay. Download new games, play, and redeem points for gift cards. So you can go ahead and download this app by scanning this QR code. So as you can see, this application is available for both the App Store and Google Play Store. Fourth on the list would be Swag Bucks. Swag Bucks earned by playing games, watching videos, and taking surveys. And last on our list would be Inbox Dollars. Play games, complete offers, and cash out directly. And that's it. These 5 apps won't make you rich, but they're a fun way to earn extra cash while gaming. And that is our 5 apps that pay you to play games.